Welcome to MEFA Pathway, your plan for the future, the interactive destination for Massachusetts students grades 6 to 12, plotting their educational and career plans, and the school counselors and parents helping them on their way. You'll be able to make this journey entirely yours in several ways. Your school counselor can assist you as you create your own unique profile, an overview of what makes you, you. And your first step is building your very own digital portfolio, an ever-changing and growing visual snapshot of your interests, skills, and activities. Watch as your digital portfolio grows to encompass more of what excites and appeals to you. The information you add to your profile also triggers the creation of your very own resume, capturing what you've done and summarizing what you have to offer. You'll want to keep your profile up to date as you gain more experience in and out of school. Use MEFA Pathway to get to know yourself better through informative quizzes and questionnaires that reveal your interests and skills and how they match up with particular careers. Are you artistic or analytical? Could you be a future designer or an accountant? Dive in. You might be surprised what you discover about yourself. Search a wide range of career categories to discover the types of jobs associated with your interests and skills. Explore what it takes to be prepared for jobs that may appeal to you. Talk with your school counselor about how you might come up with a plan to develop the skills and knowledge necessary to better position yourself for success on the career path of your choice. Also, when it comes to researching colleges, MEFA Pathway allows you to assemble appealing options that meet your preferred criteria, like location, size, or setting. See how colleges stack up against each other by comparing details about cost, academics, and even admissions difficulty. And when it comes to navigating how to apply to college, MEFA Pathway is the place to be. We'll walk you through every step of the application process. You'll learn about the various ways to pay for school, including how grants and scholarships might make attending even the college of your dreams a real possibility. So go ahead, explore MEFA Pathway today to help you plan and prepare for your future.